dark mode for mobiles. It looks fantastic. That's what we talk about today. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, your YouTube certified expert. And if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe, start creating. Now, are you a mobile phone user? Do you prefer the darker skins, the Spotify, that kind of thing? Now, did you know that you can use the YouTube app in dark mode as well? That's right, it's all sleek, it's all sexy, it's all dark and black. It's also a great way of testing what your thumbnails look like on a mobile phone device in the white and the black, the dark and the light side of the YouTube. That got a bit weird. Let's turn it on. Let's go to the mobile phone. But before we deep dive into this video is sponsored by TubeBuddy. It's an online browser-based plugin that can help optimize your titles, your descriptions, your tags, get you more views, get you more subscribers, and generally take away the grind, the day-to-day tasks that you just can't be bothered with. It also links up with their mobile phone app in which you can check your stats on the go, communicate with people, and just generally level up your YouTube game. There is a link in the description below on how to install it for free. Okay, first of all, you start the YouTube app. Once loaded, you go to the top right hand corner where your avatar is. It gives you the options, my channel, time watched, that kind of thing. We're going to click on settings. Now, as you scroll through the settings, you'll see remind me to take a break, but the second thing down is dark theme. And you simply switch that over and everything looks funky. It looks all dark now. Obviously, to change it back, you go back to your avatar, back to settings, click on dark theme, which removes it and turns it back to the white. For more YouTube mobile phone hacks, there's a playlist up here. Remember to hit that subscribe button for regular YouTube tricks and tip tutorials. Go out there, start creating.